Okay, so, oops. So, I got the paper I'm going to use for this. This is a really big square. I'm going to see if I can get it all in frame. Maybe. It's 3 feet, so 36 inches. I don't know what that comes out to be in centimeters. Anyway, it's pretty huge. And I'm going to keep it folded in half, roughly, so that I can get this all on the screen. Okay. There we go. Alright. So, from the rough crease pattern, what I've done is mapped this out on the paper, just with little dots. I did this on the back, by the way. The front of the model will be where once you have this divided into 64 equal parts, the very outer crease will be a mountain fold, and that will be the front of the model. So right now the paper is upside down, so you're looking at the back, and I just drew these little dots. If you can see this, I hope some of them show up. There's one there, one down here, here. Anyway, so I marked all of these points. So I made my start mark here, and then I counted down 7 squares. I made a mark right there. Counted up 1 square, there's a mark there. Down 8 squares, there's a mark there, there, and so on across the page. Excuse me. And again, you're going to do that on the back of the model, so all these dots will be on the inside, and you won't be able to see them once this is folded. Then you're going to take a ruler and just put these creases in. They're all going to be valley folds for now, so you're just going to put a ruler and connect this dot with this dot, and then just make a crease right along that line. Same thing here, and you just make all these creases. Then, actually, here, go ahead and flip this over. So, here you're looking at the section that will become the wings. I didn't extend these creases all the way out to the edges. There we go. So you can see how in here there's a pretty nice separation between the vertical creases and the horizontal creases. I did that because when we have the wings fully made, I don't want any extra creases extending out this way, because that will it won't look that great. So anyway, and you don't even need to have these horizontal ones in there until you're ready to make the wings anyways. So it's just an aesthetically appealing way of doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and put in these creases, and then I'll show you how to count. Well, I mean, I don't have to show you how to count, but I will count down and make these creases here. So this will be the but actually, you know what, I should probably go ahead and explain how this will work. I'll do this in pencil because I'm right here next to the camera. So right here, the paper is going to fold back on itself. So that means where there is a mountain fold, as soon as it hits this crease, it's going to change to a valley fold. And when this valley fold hits this section here, this is our 90-degree hinge, it's going to change back to a mounted fold. Alright, so there's just going to be one section in here that's not consistent with the rest of the model, and that's okay. And I'll show you how to do these sections once I get there. I'm also going to put in the diagonal section at the bottom. Excuse me. By the way, this number is subject to change because I am going to make a couple changes up here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put these creases in, and then I'll make another video, or I'll pick up here. So I'll see you in a little bit.